这是800多，about 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit or 800 Celsius. And you notice I'm hammering in one spot and rotating the metal around it. What that does is keeps my hammer arm in a nice ergonomic position. I don't have to swing it weird ways. And it means I always have metal in between my anvil and my hammer. I never want to hit my anvil with my hammer. Because when the metal is hot, it's like clay or Play-Doh, right? What happens is you got dense, gouges, and hammer marks on the face of your anvil. Take some Play-Doh, smush it on there, and pull it up. It's going to pick up all that texture, right? So you can see we have all this texture into the rose petal.
Wow.
And now we're going to make it round, because flat is not very good, right? Right? We want nice, full, slick flower. Special tool. Again, 不要切800多的，1200多。
Wow, that's nice.
不知道是不是都有它的生命色？You just make one out of scrap wood. That's a great example of how I am a lazy next to the wood. And you grab yourself a ball peen hammer and you stand here for a couple hours hitting the wood till you get the shape you want. I'm like, I have ADHD. Ain't nobody got time for that.
It's nice.
So I grabbed wood carving bit from my
That's the
ankle
product
grinder and
there.
did that in 2 minutes.
That's
That's
her
what
product.
makes it faster and easier.
Oh
We're
my.
going to grab our ball peen hammer here. We're going to grab our rose petal. Mold for our rose petal. And then we have a nice little rose petal. Now, number one rule, remember, just because it's not glowing doesn't mean it's not hot. That's the water boiling, the instant it touches the metal. But after just a second in the water, it is cold enough to touch. Right? Even though it's just over 1,000 degrees. Wow. Hey, you guys see how fun and easy this is too? Hey! Like, wanna touch it? You guys see how fun and easy it is to do blacksmithing? And the fun thing with the roses, they're great beginner projects, and no two are going to be ever exactly the same. Right?
So let's go. Yung tanong sa amin siya karaan kayo. The Chandler and price.
Better get air out of the outstation. It'd be easier for you.
Let's go to the RC. Let's go. Estimate 1887. 1887. Wow. Not in the Coning area.
Hey, when the devil made that one, Lord, she
Some